Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's letter. We're doing letter E for this week, so let's look through the activities that you have in your kit. The first one is a dry erase board and a marker. This is a great way for kids to practice holding markers, crayons, pencils. Again, their grip might look like this. Their grip might look very different from the grip that you're using. That's okay. This is just another tactile way for them to practice writing. Dry erase markers are smoother and they're easier to use than pencils sometimes. So this is just a fun way for you and your kiddo to do some writing practice. And you've got an E on the Expo marker and an E for dry erase board. You have a lacing card, so you can continue using your thread and your string and your yarn to lace in and out, giving your kiddos practice with fine motor grip and getting to know the letter. You have your felt E that you can experiment putting on things, walking around the house, seeing what it sticks to, what it doesn't stick to. You've got your stamper with the letter E, and it's of the uppercase letter. You can also call it a mama letter, whatever your kiddo is using. They can see that one and practice stamping it around. Have the bead here. Whoa, almost have the bead here. You have the bead here, and it's a lowercase e or a baby e, however you want to refer to it. And you have your flashcard, which is the letter E for elephant, and then it's got the 2 in the back. By now you've got an assortment of these flashcards, and hopefully you're finding them fun, a good way to learn animals and to practice the letter. E makes 2 sounds. It makes the long sound E, like eel or seal, and it also makes the short sound eh, like an egg or end. You can take walks around and look for the letter E in license plates or signs, on doors at stores and things like that. Or if you're at home and you have magazines or newspapers, you could go on a letter E hunt. Even go for a letter E hunt through your pantry. Anything like that, just to get your kiddos looking around and seeing what's called environmental print, seeing the letters that are around them and sort of waking them up to the fact that words and letters are everywhere. You could count eggs in your refrigerator. You could make hard-boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, anything like that. You could send somebody a card in an envelope so your kiddo can get practice writing. And again, their writing might just look like scribbles to you, but they're writing something down, and oftentimes when you ask a kiddo what they've written, they know exactly what it says, even though to us it doesn't look like it. You could talk about your eyes and your ears, what are they used for, and you could always, for this letter and for all the letters, you could use building blocks like Legos or Duplos or wood blocks, anything like that, to make the letter E. So that's your letter E kit, and coming up next week will be letter F. Thanks. Bye.